Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your photo on the Pixomatic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below and click on Start with Image. Select your photo and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find the Filters button. Tap on it. And here you can find a bunch of categories down below, such as Effect, Art, Subtle, Bliss, 90s Vibe, Duo, Black and White, Monochrome, and so on. So select a relevant category. Then you should choose a filter that fits your preferences, try it out and adjust it to your picture by the help of the slide down below. After finding the relevant one and adjusting it to your picture, click on the checkmark icon at the top of the screen to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.